Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Tarot with Donna. Today's reading is a sensitive but powerful one, and we are uncovering the truth about the narcissist who pretended to be everything you have ever wanted. Yeah. If you've ever dealt with someone who charmed you, mirrored you, and then suddenly showed a darker side, this reading will resonate with you. And since this is a timeless reading, and if you have lent it here, Spirit has a message for you right now. Let's get started. The first card that we already have is the devil card, and the sign is clear. This person is toxic, controlling, addictive. They attach themselves like glue, but it's not love, it's control, it's power. At first, they swept you off your feet, sweet words, romantic gestures, late night texts. They mirrored exactly what you wanted. It felt like a fairy tale. If you like yoga, they will say, yes, I like yoga too. If you're into meditation, they'll say, yes, I'm into meditation too. I've done it. Okay. And they will ask you about what you like, what you dislike. And accordingly, they will also say that, okay, I like this. What kind of partner you want? Okay, I also have this qualities in me. So they will showcase you like those things. Okay. But then we have the seven of swords, like the lies, the manipulation, the betrayal, and this is the mask sleeping. They were never the dream partner they pretended to be. They studied you, they learned your likes and played the role. Okay. But as I stated earlier, you love spirituality. Suddenly they are spiritual. Oh my god. You love music? Suddenly they share your exact taste. Oh, I also like this singer. You value honesty? They call themselves the most honest person you will met. But behind it, nothing was real, my friend. It was all strategy. And the illusion was created by them. They made you question your reality. You wondered, am I imagining the red flags? Or are they really as perfect as they seem? For many of you, they were balancing multiple masks, maybe even multiple people. For some, they were dating multiple people too. One face for you and another for the world. Control. Yes, they were controlling you a lot. Everything was about dominance only. They did not love you for who you are. They loved the control they had when you believed in their act. Okay, and I can clearly see you were very true. Your love was very true towards this person, and they took you for granted. They gaslighted you, saying that you are too sensitive, you are too emotional. They blamed you for everything. You did not act like this. I would not have behaved this way. Okay, they withdraw the affection as punishment or tactics to keep you chasing their approval. And yes, they wore mask. Okay, and eventually there was a day where the mask cracks. A fight, a truth revealed, or their slip ups showed you who they really are. And many of you had that shocking moment where you realize this person is not who I thought. Because we have the Tower card, okay? Mhm. And with the Five of Cups, they left you with pain, regret, and unanswered questions. But hear me loud, the pain was the gift, okay? Because it forced you to see clearly. Otherwise, you have been into that, the cycle only. At least you get to know the true picture. So thank God for that. And yes, your intuition always knew that why this person is, uh, behaving like this in intervals. And even in the beginning, you sensed something was off. The truth is, your soul picked up on what your heart did not wanted to see. But you did not trusted your intuition that time, right? And we know that the truth always comes out. So it came out in some shape or the form. You saw that. And yes, the spirit is saying with the justice card that this person will face consequences, definitely. And they can only wear the mask for long. Their lies catch up, people see through them, okay? And yes, the tables will turn, my dear. The same charm they used on you will backfires with others, okay? And their betrayals lead to their own downfall. Don't worry about revenge, the universe handles it. While they try to keep pretending, they can't escape the cycle they have created, okay? So, Yes, the karma will serve its purpose. This was never about their power, okay? It was about your awakening because the spirit wanted you to uh, get the benefits of the spiritual awakening. That's why you came across this person, okay? And you are meant to heal, shine brighter, and rise above this, okay? And you have gained wisdom and boundaries, and you now see through a mask quicker than before, right? And you are no longer breakable. You are strong. I can see with the strength card. What once shook you is now your biggest strength, my dear. And you were not weak for falling for their act. You were human. Okay, and you loved so deeply. Your love was true. I can see here with the cards. But now you are divine. You are stronger. You are wiser. You are unshakable. And you are unstoppable. Wow. So, this was a reading for you. I hope it gave you some clarity. So, Lars, the truth about this narcissist is simple. They were never everything you wanted, they were everything you feared, wrapped in a disguise. Okay. And yes, at the end, I would like to say that you won anyhow. Because you saw the truth, okay? You broke free, and now your power cannot be deemed. Okay. If this resonated, let me know in the comments. Did you ever deal with someone who mirrored you, then showed their true colors? I would love to hear your story. And yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so more soul family can find these messages. And remember, the mask was their lie, but your healing is your truth. Stay strong, stay blessed, my love, and I'll see you in the next reading. Take care.